At Stoneacre Ford, we're making it easy by now bringing you the same high level of experience and expertise right to your door with the all-new, all-convenient Ford Mobile Service. With the Ford Mobile Service, our fleet of service vans come equipped to carry out everything from routine servicing and software updates to general repairs, maintenance and even warranty work. With the added reassurance of knowing that your vehicles are in the hands of expert Ford-trained technicians using the latest in diagnostic equipment and tools using genuine Ford parts. The all-new, all-convenient Ford Mobile Service is available now across our full range of Ford cars and commercial vehicles. So why not book your appointment today so we can work around your busy schedule at no extra cost.
Motoring for life.